and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make really simple glitter slime. So the ingredients that you will be needing for this recipe: a spoon to mix the recipe up, a bowl, doesn't matter how big or small it is, if it's clean or dirty. You're going to be needing some glitter. I have this Elmer's glitter glue, but it's just a really tiny amount. And then I also have some giant glitter shaker from B&M. You'll also be needing some bicarbonate of soda, which you can get in quite a few places. You can get it in Aldi, you can get it in Waitrose, I think. You can basically get it anywhere that does food or anything like that. You will also be needing some eye wash or contact solution or saline solution, but make sure before you buy it that in the ingredients it says that it has boric acid. So I get this Optrex multi-action eye wash from Tesco's, and yeah, it's really cheap. And you will also be needing some clear glue. You will not be needing a gallon of clear glue. It's just I went to the shops and bought a gallon today for this recipe, so you only need a bit. So anyway, let's get started on making the slime. I have my bowl in front of me here, and all you need to do first is get your glue. And also another thing that you can do is add food colouring. I wouldn't add paint if you are using clear glue, because then it will make it opaque. So I'm going to pour in the amount of glue that I want. The amount of glue that you pour in will be the size of your slime. Oh, you will also be needing a container to put your slime in after, so it doesn't dry up or go hard. And you don't have to mix the glue, but I always do. And also you do want to mix it slowly if you are using clear glue, because the slower you mix it, the less bubbles will get in, which means your slime will be clearer or clear up quicker at the end. So the next thing you're going to want to do, you can add this in now or even add it in the end, but I like to add it in now. My lid. So you just want to put in all your glue, all your glitter. So I'm putting in some gold and silver. Okay, that's all I'm going to add for gold. Then I'm going to put in some actual silver glitter. So you can get glitter from anywhere. You can even use paint glitter, which I do have some of, but I can't find the pink one that I wanted to use. I could only find the gold, which I already have. So I will show you the slime right now. So this is the slime so far, and it's looking really good. And I'm just going to mix these up. So it looks so gorgeous right now. And I'm just going to keep mixing this up until they are all mixed up. When you add glitter into clear slime, it's just so satisfying because you can see all the glitter. But when you use white glue, it's not as satisfying because you can't see all the glitter. It's gone a really pretty colour. It reminds me of Schlur, which is a drink that's so good. This is what it looks like. It's really gorgeous, and I love it. Another thing you can add in if you want to is water, which will make it just a bit more jiggly, and yeah. But I like thicker slime, so I'm not going to add any water. The next thing that you will need is some bicarbonate of soda, And it doesn't have to be bicarbonate of soda. There is something called baking soda which also works. And you do need the baking soda or bicarbonate of soda. And you just want to add in a little pinch, a bit smaller than that. And if you add too much of the baking soda or bicarbonate of soda, it will go hard and get water on the top. So again, you do just want to stir it all together. Once you've mixed it up, you want to get some of your activator and just pour a little bit in at a time. So I actually bought these little bottles, which is the contact solution. You can just pour it in there and then you get the activator. And you basically just squeeze it and then let go, and then the activator comes up in there. And then you just squeeze it in and it should start to form. Then you just mix it up. Another ingredient you can use instead of baking or bicarbonate of soda and contact solution is borax, but that's not very good for your skin, and also it's like in America or something. So I like to get the contact solution. So it's getting a bit gooey, but I definitely need some more activator. So remember, do add little by little and not one in whole, because you don't know how much activator you will need for the slime. So you don't want it to be too hard or too sticky. But if it is too sticky, you can just add some more activator. And with the glue, you have to make sure that it is PVA glue or it will not work. So as you can see, it's getting very goopy and getting a bit like slime, but it definitely does need more activator because it's still very sticky. So I'm going to add like 3 squirts. I got these from a shop in Altrincham and it's really adorable. I just can't remember what it's called. Like, it's such a strange name. It's like Gwezenken, something like that. It's beginning to come slime, but it doesn't look as pretty anymore because there are a lot of bubbles in it. I'm going to add 4 of these. Okay, I'm going to just keep mixing this up. Okay, it's definitely turning into slime. So once it has started turning into slime, you can start playing with it in your hands and it should become nice and slimy. Okay, I will be back when it's fully slime and it's ready to show you. So it's not sticky now, but you do have to keep kneading until it comes its nice texture. So just keep stretching it and stretching it and stretching it. Then it should become a really nice texture. So I will be back once it has done. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to comment down below what you think I should do for my next video. Give the video a thumbs up and also subscribe to become part of the Matty Corn Farm. Bye!